Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the trigonometry. Before going to the discuss about the trigonometry, first we have to know about the what is trigonometry. So trigonometry words come from the trigonon and metron. Trigonon means triangle, metron means measure. So trigonometry means measurement of triangle. And the trigonometry is nothing but it is the relationship between the angles and side of a triangle. And remember, trigonometry only apply on right angle triangle. If it is not right angle triangle, in that triangle we cannot apply the trigonometric formula or trigonometry. So this is a right angle triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. So any right angle triangle we can use trigonometric formula. So now we are going to discuss about the trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratio. In trigonometry, there are total 6 trigonometric functions are there. Sine, which is shortly called as sine, cosine, cos, tangent, tan, cotangent, cot, secant, sec, and cosecant. Cosecant called as cosec. So these are the basic trigonometric functions. From this we can find out the relationship between the angle and sides of a right angle triangle. So now we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratio. So how these trigonometric ratios or functions are find out and how it related to the right angle triangles, side and angle. So let's take a right angle triangle. Let's angle ABC is a right angle triangle where angle C is a right angle and angle B angle is theta. The opposite side of the theta it is called as opposite side, and hypotenuse is called hypotenuse and base is called adjacent. So let triangle ABC is a right angle triangle where angle C is equal to 90 degree, angle B is equal to theta. So AB is equal to hypotenuse, BC is equal to adjacent side and AC is equal to opposite side. So now we have to find out the trigonometric functions. So sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. We have to remember this one. So the opposite side is AC by hypotenuse AB. AC by AB. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is AC, adjacent side is BC. So now we have to find out the cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Therefore BC by AC. Now sec theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. So hypotenuse is AB and adjacent side is BC. And cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is equal to AB, opposite side is AC. So these are the trigonometric functions, and this is how it is related to the side of a right angle triangle. To remembering these functions, simple formula is there, so ka 2a. In this, sine is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. From this formula we can remember the first three trigonometric ratios, and remaining three is the nothing but it is the reciprocal of these three ratios only. So you can see here sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So from this tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So in this we know that if we find out the any angle ratio of sin theta and cos theta, we can find out the remaining all. This is called odd even trigonometric functions. So here sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, sec minus theta is equal to sec theta, cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Here you can say cos and sec is the positive only, remaining all will become negative itself. So now we know about the ASTC rule. So what is ASTC rule? From the ASTC rule we can find out the which quadrant which trigonometric functions are positive and which are negative. So that is the 0 to 91 first quadrant, 90 to 180 second quadrant, 180 to 270 degree third quadrant, and 270 to 0 degree or 360 degree it will become fourth quadrant. The total 4 quadrant is there, and in this ASTC rule 4 letter is there, ASTC. So we have to arranging the anti-clockwise direction. So first one is the A, second one is S, and third one is T, and fourth one is C. So S means sine, T means tan, and C means cos. So sine and its reciprocal, third one is the tan, its reciprocal, and fourth one is the cos and its reciprocal. Cos reciprocal is sec, tan reciprocal is cot, sine reciprocal is cosec, and in first quadrant A means all trigonometric functions are positive in this quadrant. So here from this line, if any trigonometric angles are lie on this x-axis, that means horizontal line, then sine will be won't change on 0, 180 degree or any angles present on this line related to on this line, plus or minus. So sine will not be changed. That means sine will be sine, cos will be cos, cot will be cot, tan will be tan, sec will be sec. But when trigonometric functions are depend on this vertical line, therefore 90 degree and 270 degree plus minus theta, then sine will be changes to sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, sec to cosec, cosec to sec. It will be changes in this way. So from this we can see here sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sine changes. Cos minus theta is equal to sine theta. Sine changes. Function changes. Then tan 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sec minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And cosec minus theta is equal to sec theta. So in this way it will be changes. If it is 180 degree or 360 degree, it won't changes its sign. Sign will be remaining as a sign itself.